Hey, I want to show you Screenbolt. It's a screen recorder and editor for Mac. And the whole idea is you hit record button, do your thing, and the app makes it polished without you touching a single setting. This little bar right here, that's the entire app rest. No giant window, no setup wizard, just this floating capsule waiting for you. Let's go from left to right. You've got three modes here: display, window, area. So display will capture the entire screen, and window you can select a specific window, and with area you can select specific area. Here we have camera, you can select camera. So we also have an option to like select the camera of your iPhone that you can connect, and you can actually use two camera at the same time, like face cam plus a phone shooting your hands or whiteboard. And then we have mic. So similarly, you can use multiple mics at the same time. And then we have audio. You can record your system audio from all apps or from selected apps. And then we have blur. Let me show you what blur does. So you can draw a rectangle on top of any sensitive passwords, email, billing, and then click on escape. This will keep them blurred throughout the entire recording. We have for sensitive light to full, and then moving on, we have teleprompter here. So you can paste your script here. Uh, it will auto scroll during the recording, or you can switch to manual mode. You can type your script here, or just import your text file. So the cool bit, you can drop your few markers like pause, cut, B-roll, slow emphasis here. Each one show up as colored badge so you can see your beats coming. And the window has opacity slider, so you can fade it down to 30% or 100%. Basically, it will read through your screen. So, all right, let's select on display and then hit record. So the bar shrinks to this tiny version of timer, pause, stop, and discard button. While I'm recording, the app is capturing more than just pixels, right? It's striking my cursor and other keystrokes as well. So once you are done with the recording, you can click on stop button. So as you can see, it auto zooms, and then a soft shadow sitting on nice gradient background, right? So let me show you the backgrounds here. We have 12 backgrounds, and you can also choose wallpapers from your Mac. We have gradients, colors. You can also upload your custom wallpaper here. You also have background blur, and then you can also adjust your canvas size. So this is the fun part, device frames. I can wrap my recording into Mac, iPad, or iPhone. There are several options here. So moving on, we have, let me show you auto zoom. So this is the feature that does heaviest lifting. See these blue boxes, orange boxes here. The app watched every click I made during the recording and turned them into zoom regions automatically. So the camera will smoothly zoom in what I was clicking, right? We also have glide effects, and the fun part, another fun part here is you can also add zoom effect at the current time. For example, here, this will zoom here. Moving on, we have cursor effects. You can increase the size of this cursor. I can make it bigger, way bigger than system default. And then we have smooth movements here. You can disable or enable this movement. And then you can also highlight on click cursor effects. And we have auto hide when static. So moving on, we have sound effects as well. You can enable click sounds and then keyboard sounds. When we type anything, you can choose between these three profiles. Cherry Brown, Holy Panda typewriter. And moving on, we also have effects. You can add blur effects, and then you can also add focus here, something like this. What else? We have annotations. You can add arrows, rectangles, circles, highlights, line, callouts. System audio. Another interesting and important feature we have here is ability to remove background noise from the audio track. Since we didn't record the audio in this sample clip, we don't have the audio here, right? So that's all for this quick demo. You can record, polish, export any type of videos here. One last thing is regarding export. When you export, we have these features here: MP4, MOV, GIF. We can export between these three formats: 720, 1080p, and original. You can choose your export destination and then export. So this will be exported in depending upon your MacBook configuration. So that's all for this video. If you if you would like, you can check the link below. Thank you.